Good morning. My name is Simrat Palkar. Today I'm going to discuss about my project Robo Club, and which I have successfully finished in my last semesters of Master of Technology in Software Engineering. So basically in this I learned about new technologies as well. So talking about brief my project, that is a Robo Club. Basically the World Class Robotic Club is located in Vijayawada, India, and in this basically they want to provide a training programs, and they want to provide a training program for the students as well as the interesting candidate who want to learn and who want to learn the artificial intelligence in respective to the robotics club. So basically in this we have implemented a CRM solution for the company. Basically we have to deal with the three problems that we have faced while doing the project. So like while doing the project they want to resolve from us, like first is handling the high pressure calls from the company, from the customer base, like how to handle the high volume of the customers. So as because of the load they can't handle the high volume queries from the customer, so they want a online CRM solution for it. Secondly, talk about the business operation, like the scalability, how scalable and reliable should the application website for them. And the third one is the sales perspective, like the promotional perspective. So they want a innovative and organized website for their sale perspective as well. So talking about how to resolve, so we have divided the four roles, like the project manager, the scrum master, and the testers. So being a scrum master, my role is to provide the requirements after discussing with my project manager and client. So basically we have divided into the project into three sprints. In the sprint one, be as being a scrum master and a software, so my contribution is to develop the application, and it should be working as well. That is my main responsibility. And as I have a background knowledge of the PHP, MyAdmin, MySQL, so I have implemented using that PHP, MyAdmin, the databases. And in sprint one we successfully completed the login and the dashboard page. And talking about the sprint 2, that we have did the 3 days and a half, and we have done like the other user stories. And after discussing with the client and my other team members, I have allocated the each specific task to the other team members. And but the time estimation taken by the each is very important, and that is the main task of my role as well. So I did my best knowledge to develop my project by using the PHP. I have used the Git and the WAMP server as a technology to create the CRM implementation. And furthermore, after the sprint 2, we successfully moved to the sprint 3 module. But in the sprint 3 we are but before moving to sprint 3, we have a challenge, like we were using the Salesforce on a primarily basis, like on a trial basis, but due to some reasons or some troubles we have to switch to the AWS. So we discussed this with our client Santosh, so he helped us a lot, and he said like up to you. So it's a challenging for us to opt from one technology to the other. So why AWS? Talking about why technology AWS, because it is trust and reliable and secure, and it can be immediately available in within second as well. So it is very reliable and very like easy to use, and it is affordable for us as well. So in the sprint 3 we have covered the other user stories, and in that user stories we implemented our the tasks, the leads, the user, the departments, everything in a CRM solution. And then the major task comes about the deploy to the AWS, which is important, as well as the cloud platform which we have chosen a bit chosen, and we have to be we are new to it, so we learn through the tutorials and videos. So talking about my accomplishment, like I already have the knowledge of the PHP and MySQL, so I implemented all those in my project. And the things that I need to learn or in coming, like I'm in the sprints, like talking about the debugging, I am little bit not that much good in debugging, so I want to learn more in that debugging. So talking about the justification, or three major contributions that I have did in my project. So basically talking about my coding part. So I have done, talking about the leads, I have created a database tables. So these are my database tables which I have used PHP MyAdmin. These are my codes that I have generated in the tables, how to do the database. And talking about my web application that we have done. So basically this is the web application. This is our dashboard page. So this is our dashboard page, as it shows the 0 task completed, because unfortunately last we lost some data due to the some interruptions in AWS. So this I have designed the task completed this month, the leads, the all clients, total hours, then contacts. This, like, we have created the new contacts, how to create a new contacts. And then we have clients, how to create a new client. And these are the things that I did, like the shipping address, to shipping cities, and all the secondary email. These are the mandatory things you have to fill. Then we have some department as well. These are the department, like inside and outside sales, and these are some settings as well that I maintain, like how to create contact, update, delete, user update, and so on. These are the things that I did using the previous technology, like PHP MyAdmin, the databases, as well as the WAMP server and the Git, which I have used to do the CRM implementations. And talking about like what I have like learned. So I have learned about the AWS, which is a main task for me and for my other team members. And deploying to a cloud is basically difficult for us, and it is also like a bit time consuming, as we don't have enough time. We have finished our projects by around 3 to 4 weeks. We complete our project. So deploying into a new technology is bit challenging for us. So but we did by taking the help from our tutor, by taking the help from our client Santosh. And so this is the main opportunity for us to have a practical exposure and to work on the new technology. And talking about like what I like the most in the project. So cloud technology, it's a bit good learning process, and I learned a lot in this, like how to do the cloud, how to work on the cloud, how to integrate as well. So it we have some issues, like I already show you the, like how the data can be like can be like gone within the, like it's a cloud. So we already put a request to AWS, and my other teammate who got the request, like it due to some technical or somebody hacked, so that's why some issues we already got. So but we successfully completed our project. So talking about my my learning. So it was a good opportunity for us to work and to learn in the AWS. And apart from this, this is our major project, so it is a good opportunity for us to work in the companies after our master project. And Let me show some demonstration videos that I have done. So this is our project demonstration, how we did. This is the process diagram in which we have covered all the stakeholders, the project features, and this is our logo, the RoboClub CRM implementation. So these are the 4 team members: the team product owner, the tester, the team member, and me, the scrum master. And this some introduction and background of our project. And this is the existing system challenges, like what we have faced, like customer databases, and the solution we offer through a website. And these are the case study that I also part of, like the Wells Fargo, Uber CRM, Unilever CRM. Agile methodology we choose because it based on the iteration, so it is bit easy for us. This is our profile login page, admin profile. This is our dashboard. And these are the features from the case study, like customer satisfaction, quick response, analyze data. And these, like the content analysis, the we use the qualitative research approach. The framework we use the Kanban. And these are some AWS implementation that we have used. The console for controlling the devices. These are the database configurations using phpMyAdmin. So these are the firewall configuration. So these are the future recommendation, like we can implement to a chat box and mobile application. So overall it was a good opportunity for us to learn the cloud platform. So, and it was I have learned how to do work in a team as well. So it was a good opportunity for us, for all of us, to learn a cloud and to work in a team. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.